Become as little children. And Jesus called a little child unto him, and set him in the midst of them, and said, Verily I say unto you, except ye be converted, and become as little children, ye shall not enter into the kingdom of heaven. Whoso therefore shall humble himself as this little child, the same is greatest in the kingdom of heaven. Matthew 18, 2-4. The month of April ushers in new life, with branches blossoming in shades of pink and white. Gone are the dark days of winter. Birds' nests fill the once empty branches. April is a time of rebirth and renewal. Fresh earthy scents of spring envelop the senses as a gentle breeze flutters the emerald leaves, bringing new life to barren trees. Just after sunrise, migrating birds, dressed to the hilt in coats of browns and reds, yellows and blues, beckon with chirping melodies. Then, with outstretched wings, they soar to greater heights in search of a new home. As an adult, I feel compelled to follow, to spread my wings and soar to greater heights. Nature, with its birds and nest-bearing trees, is filled with wonder, captivating adults everywhere. Yet no one is more enraptured by nature than little children. In addition to discovering wonder in nature, the journey to more childlike wonder begins with 3 simple steps. First, ask yourself who in your life has the virtue of childlike wonder. Perhaps it is your child, a neighbor, or a coworker. Next, think of the qualities that person possesses that incline them towards childlike wonder. Finally, make a mental or physical list of those qualities. Qualities of a person filled with childlike wonder may include happy, playful, curious, humble, patient, grateful, creative, vulnerable, full of love, imaginative. Wonder, as defined in the 1828 Webster's Dictionary, is, quote, that emotion which is excited by novelty or the presentation to the sight or mind of something new, unusual, strange, great, extraordinary, or not well understood. To reawaken childlike wonder, one must first prepare to take action, then put in the work to cultivate specific qualities of wonder. Allow the following inspiration to guide you on your journey to more childlike wonder, adding your own ideas along the way. Celebrate small successes. Create a new tradition. Create a piece of art. Dance. Do something you enjoy. Enjoy a cup of tea. Enjoy each bite of a meal. Gaze at the stars. Go camping. Go on a day trip. Join a friend for a hike. Host a small gathering. Learn a new skill. Lie in a hammock. Listen to relaxing music. Make a new recipe. Organize your space. Play with a child. Read a book. Send a thank you note. Simplify your daily routine. Sing a song. Sit by the fire. Slow down and take time to breathe. Spend time bird watching. Take a nap. Spend time with a pet. Unplug. Put your phone down. Take a walk. Visit a park. Write a poem. Never stop asking questions. In a moment of reflection, valedictorian Erica Goldson shares in her graduation speech the following educational regrets. Quote, "When others sat in class and doodled to later become great artists, I sat in class to take notes to become a great test taker. While others would come to class without their homework done because they were reading about an interest of theirs, I never missed an assignment. While others were creating music and writing lyrics, I decided to do extra credit even though I didn't even need it. So I wonder, why did I even want this position? Sure, I earned it. But what will come of it when I leave educational institutionalism? Will I be successful or forever lost? I have no clue about what I want to do with my life. I have no interest because I saw every subject as a study, as work. I excel at every subject just for the purpose of excelling and not learning, and quite frankly, I'm very scared." End quote. Despite the choices of others, never stop exploring your world. Though questions may be discouraged, never stop asking questions. In the event that the crowd tries to silence your voice, never cease to be creative. Should life begin to feel overwhelming, never cease to pursue your passions. If learning has become stale over the years, view it through the eyes of wonder and watch as an entire new world opens up to you. In time and with practice, the virtue of childlike wonder can become a permanent part of your life, filling you with the joy of a child and the freedom of a bird in flight. Let nature and curiosity, imagination and gratitude be your guide as you set off on a journey to a better, more wonder-filled tomorrow. Randy Pausch said, quote, "Never lose the childlike wonder. Show gratitude. Don't complain. Just work harder. Never give up." End quote. Download your free Wonder checklist in the description below and begin your journey of wonder today.